everybody. Oh my god, this game. Oh my. Oh god. Oh my god.
We've been defeated.
Let's try again.
I did okay the first game, but all these other games, wow. Wow, bad. Wow, oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. I did not do good. No. Skill issue? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. We're learning. I'm having fun though. That's all that matters. The flag fort. Wow, that sounds like... Even hearing that out of my own mouth sounds like copium. I'm having fun though. I'm having fun. That's all that matters. Sure you are. But I am. It just sounded very unconvincing as I said that. Very ungenuine. Hello everyone. I am having so much fun right now. I am having a great time.